Yes, sir. All right, guys. New day. Hopefully the last day of install.
I haven't 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's been down for a while. This is because we've been waiting for some things. We've been back and forth with the tuner. We've been waiting for the flex fuel kit, which I didn't mention earlier. So I'm gonna be going flex fuel. I'll explain all that later in a different video. But so the flex fuel kit is on already. It's really easy. I went with the Delicious Tuning MK1 Plus kit. Like I said, I'll explain all that stuff in a separate video. This is just gonna be like more like a, you know, step-by-step of what we've been through. We're pretty much done. Z finish, kind of setting up all the vacuum lines and the tubing for the blow-off valve and stuff like that. We're pretty much just done with the flex fuel kit now. Last thing that we're missing is to put the front pipe on. Obviously there's a couple other things that I'm gonna have to do later on. So like oil, catch can, what else? Maybe upgrade the clutch in the future. What else? Did I miss anything? Flex fuel kit, vacuum lines, tune.
You just freaked me missing Jesus, take the wheel from you.
Jesus, all right. Yeah.
Hopefully we did everything right. I mean, we ran it a couple of times, runs.
Yeah, it turns on, you know.
Yeah, it turns on.
And it doesn't run rough.
Oh yeah, it actually doesn't run rough.
It idles kind of nice. Without even it being tuned. I don't know, is that a bad thing? That might be bad.
No, it's because you haven't changed the injectors. Oh shit, we're getting into the injectors.
Ah, freak. We gotta do the injectors too. But for that, we gotta wait for the tune, right? I'll just show you guys pretty much what it is. This flex fuel kit is pretty straightforward. You know, it's over there, the fuel reader. Focus. And you just connect the fuel lines and stuff. It's pretty straightforward. I'll link, you know, the install guide in the description.
Useless.
Useless.
It literally doesn't cover half the things, the hard parts.
Well, not the turbo kit. I'm talking about the flex fuel.
Oh, that shit's easy, bro.
Yeah.
You literally connect two things and call it a day. Hardest part is finding a way to run the wire.
And then you just run the wires, you know, however you want, and plug it in there. So yeah. Is that new? Come on, bro.
I almost snapped myself.
Is that new? Saw really briefly. We installed the front pipe, which is the last thing we were waiting for besides the tune. So we have the base tune, and Z's about to flash the car right now.
Can't blame him, bro. It's all business.
Everybody gotta make their money, bro.
Facts.
Everybody get their nut.
Codes. So the car's running, and we put the front bumper and everything back on. There's a couple things that we still have to do to the car, and then the tune is gonna be on May 5th. But huge shout out to both these men for helping me out. I really appreciate these guys. I'm gonna leave their information. Well, Z doesn't even use Instagram, but I'll leave the shop's information in the description. And I'll put their Instagrams down there so you guys can go follow them. And stay tuned because I'm gonna be uploading the video of the day that we go and get the car dynoed and stuff like that. And I'll be showing you guys the numbers and everything. And we'll go over the build and everything that's gonna be happening with the car. So.
No, I measured it. I did that. I measured it with the.
Four in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, balling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly, vibing out, you can find me at the telly, the drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty, know that I'm peaking, yeah, I be speeding,